Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, that line of strong and severe thunderstorms continues to push out of Rhode Island and into southeastern Massachusetts, but there are some additional thunderstorms now starting to develop over western Rhode Island again, as well as parts of Connecticut. So we are going to be in store for a stormy couple of hours, most likely, and the severe thunderstorm warning does continue for portions of Bristol County, Massachusetts, and that may be extended into Plymouth counties and parts of the Cape as well. Right now, the heaviest of the rain, the strongest of this storm, is focused over southern Bristol County, Mass. We're right along 195. We're seeing the potential for some very heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and some damaging winds, which is what this particular storm icon is standing for. And you can see the yellows, deep oranges, and reds over New Bedford. Fall River, you have started to see things quiet down after some very heavy downpours there just over the last half hour or so. And we're still hearing the thunder here in East Providence. But you can see along 195, and this is pushing to the east very quickly, so moving at about 40 to 45 miles per hour, and we're still seeing, widen out the view a little bit for you here, some steadier rain and downpours through Taunton and the Attleborough, Providence as well. And let's go back further to the west, because this is the new thunderstorm development that I'm watching through eastern Connecticut and stretching into portions of Coventry and Ashaway, and then even more storms back over Middletown, Connecticut, and pushing through Hartford as well, southern Hartford County. So all of these thunderstorms developing well out ahead of a cold front. The front itself not set to move through our area until this evening, and that's when we'll finally bring an end to the thunderstorm risk. But again, at the last check here, we're continuing to see these storms doing some weakening. You can see the heights here up to 20,000, 30,000 feet in some of the stronger thunderstorm batches, and at times they've stretched over 40,000 feet at the height of this storm about a half an hour ago as it was moving over Newport. And you can see lightning tracker here showing those frequent cloud-to-ground lightning strikes. So obviously people at the beach with this fast-moving storm need to seek shelter immediately. If you're at a local pool with not only the threat of lightning, but also with damaging wind gusts. So this is Narragansett Town Beach over the last hour, just to show you how quickly the storm moved in and now is moving out. Skies are still gray. There's still some rain, but look at some of these storm pics. This is out ahead of the storm. Kelly Cooper in Westport, Mass. sent in this picture. You can see those severe thunderstorm clouds. And then Courtney Catalano is one of our employees here, sent in this picture from Roger Wheeler State Beach. Down in Providence, you didn't get hit with quite as severe of a storm as what they saw in southern parts of Rhode Island, but still rain, thunder, lightning, 72 degrees. So the rain-cooled air, at one point temperatures were all the way up into the upper 80s in Taunton and Plymouth, and now we're back to 81 in Taunton, and the rain and the thunderstorms has cooled the air into the lower 70s in Providence, Westerly, and Newport, down to 73 in Block Island. So it's a cold front that's sparking these showers and thunderstorms, and you can see more developing over Connecticut, Long Island, and New York City. So we're going to keep a very close eye, even once there's a little bit of clearing, and that is possible for us later this afternoon. I'm not going to completely end our thunderstorm threat until that front moves through this evening. So this afternoon, some scattered thunderstorms, warm and humid. We probably already hit our high, though, for the day in the mid and upper 80s. And you can see, even as the evening commute goes on, there may still be a couple of thunderstorms around, though it does look like right now is kind of the height of the activity for us. At 11:30 at night, any showers and storms wind down. Skies will do some clearing overnight, and then tomorrow it does look much quieter during the day with a mixture of clouds and sunshine. So this afternoon, keep an eye to the sky. The threat of more severe thunderstorms, damaging winds, hail, heavy rain, and frequent lightning are the biggest concerns with this storm system. So temperatures, again, have already hit their high. We may rebound back into the 80s if the sun can come back out for a few hours this afternoon. Tomorrow, about 87, and it does look like at least a few days this week we'll have a chance for more of these scattered thunderstorms. Just kind of a sign of this heat and humidity that we've been stuck in this entire month. But again, severe thunderstorm warning set to expire at 12:30.
All right, thank you, Michelle.